In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the voicemail PIN using the AdminCom portal. Once logged into the AdminCom portal, you'll click on the Users tab in the left blue toolbar. You will then find the extension name and number that you're working on. Click the Actions tab with the down arrow. You'll click on View Individual Settings, which will then open up that individual user's COM portal. I'm going to open a new window. At the bottom of this screen, you'll click on the link that says Change Voicemail PIN. Once here, you'll enter a new PIN code, minimum of 6 digits. And confirm. Your PIN has now been updated successfully. And that concludes our video.